Hello, this video is for my modification recipe for Nutrition 450 at Western Illinois University. And I'm going to be discussing how to modify chicken marinara with spaghetti pasta into a healthier ingredients that will become chicken marinara with zucchini spaghetti versus pasta spaghetti. So for the sake of time, I've already prepped a lot of the items and cooked ahead a lot of the items. So the first recipe used regular spaghetti, thin spaghetti. I also used breaded chicken. I used Hunt's spaghetti sauce. And I used regular shredded mozzarella. And this is the finished product. I will get to the nutritional value part of it soon, and I will do a comparison at the end. Okay? So for the new recipe, for the sake of time, I want to tell you the ingredients that I used. I used zucchini, which I'll continue to use and show you in a moment. I used grilled chicken, which is right over here, that I'll put on my finished plate. I used low sodium organic marinara sauce. And I used reduced fat mozzarella cheese. And like I said, I will get to the nutritional value at the end. So I already prepped my marinara. And with the marinara, I used, like I said, the organic marinara. And I added nutritional value of vitamin A, C, D, and B12 by adding mushroom, green pepper, and onions into the marinara. So that's already been heated up. And I'm going to show you how to spiralize zucchini to make zucchini spaghetti. So I have this item here. It's actually a Pampered Chef item, which I conveniently sell. And I get to spiralize zucchini right out of here. I've already done most of it for the sake of time. This is a great alternative for many pastas and gluten-free recipes. So this is the spiralized spaghetti here, and it ends up looking like this. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the marinara inside of here, and I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes, and that's all it's going to need. And hopefully by the time the video is done, I'll be able to show you what that comes out to be. Okay, so while that's cooking, I already made the grilled chicken, and this is the marinara I already made, and the zucchini. So I want to talk a little bit about the difference in nutritional value. As you can see here, this is the original recipe of chicken marinara with pasta spaghetti. And half a cup of spaghetti is 400 calories, 82 grams of carbs, and 0 sodium. The breaded chicken includes 4 ounces of breaded chicken, 220 calories, 18 grams of carbs, and 560 grams of sodium. The marinara that I used was half a cup. That's going to equal 60 calories, 11 grams of carbs, and 560 milligrams of sodium. The mozzarella cheese is 1/4 cup, which equals 110 calories at 1 gram of carbs and 560 milligrams of sodium. And I did use extra virgin oil in the spaghetti, so half a teaspoon equals 40 calories. So I will do a comparison at the end. With the chicken marinara and zucchini spaghetti, I'm using zucchini as a spaghetti. Half a cup only equals 10 calories, 1 gram of carbs, and 0 milligrams of sodium. With the grilled chicken, I seasoned it with a no sodium Mrs. Dash and a no sodium lemon pepper. So I did season it with 0 sodium. So 4 ounces is going to come in at 110 calories, 0 carbs, and 0 sodium. The marinara half a cup serving is 35 calories, 7 grams of carbs, and 390 milligrams of sodium. And like I said, I did add mushrooms, green peppers, and onions to add the additional nutrition of vitamins A, C, D, and B12. Zucchini is also a wonderful source of vitamins A, C, D, and B12. And with this recipe, I'm using a reduced fat mozzarella with a quarter cup being 90 calories, 1 gram of carbs, and 180 milligrams of sodium. So I just took the zucchini with the marinara sauce out of the microwave, and I measured out 1/4 of a cup here that I'm going to spread out of the zucchini. And 4 ounces of meat is generally the size of your palm, so I cut the grilled chicken to be the size of my palm, which I'm going to go ahead and place over that. And I also scooped out 1/2 cup of marinara. I'm placing right over that. And I have 1/4 cup of cheese. And everything has cooled down a little bit, so it's not exactly melting like this one would. But here's a side-by-side, and I want to do a side-by-side comparison of the ingredients here and the calories that we've used. So the green is the go, which is a healthier. The red is a no-go, which is the fattier one. Calories for the healthier version of the zucchini spaghetti with the grilled chicken is 245 calories, which is 12% of your daily value, versus 830 calories on this one, which is 42% of your daily value already. Carbs over here, we're using 9 grams of carbs, which is only 3% of your daily value. And over here, we're using 112 grams of carbs, which is already at 38% of your daily value. Here we're using 570 milligrams of sodium at 25% of your daily value. And over here we're using 1,320 milligrams, which is already at 55% of your daily value. So thank you for joining me. That was my recipe modification, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. I've really enjoyed the class. Thank you so much.